How to fix app not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart mobile. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power or button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Now open settings. Scroll down. Click on click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option. Now click on update option. Your mobile software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, update apps. Now open Play Store. Click on your profile. Click on manage apps advice. Click on updates. Here you will see updates. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app caches. Now open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see app. Select app that you want to clear cache. After selecting app, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache option. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your mobile photo, video, or data or contacts will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix apps not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.